Hello, my name is Esther and I would like to share my testimony with you guys, and thank you for having me here. Probably for the past 4 years of my life, I have been having a depression, and within those time, I thought that I could do everything on my own. I'll probably after work, I'll go to the bridge and try to kill myself so many times, but in those moments, I feel like somebody has stopping me from killing myself. Every night that I sleep, I couldn't sleep at all. And then I'll go back to work in the morning, 7 in the morning, and I'll go home around 2 in the morning. I didn't really think much at that time. And within those time as well, I have a knife with me in my room, and then I try to cut myself so many times on my arms. Those were the hardest things for me in my life. And so in my room, I'll cry a lot and just stay by myself. And in those moments of time, I thought that I can do everything on my own. I was like, I don't need God. I can do this. I can overcome my depression. But I was totally wrong. And one day, while I was sleeping, God proved me wrong that I can't overcome on my own. Probably around 2 a.m. in the morning, God has spoke to me with the Bible, and I'll read it to you right now. It will be Isaiah 41, 10. It said that, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will straighten you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." And within those time, God has spoke me with this Bible, and when that happened, just all my body was really cold, and God has spoke to me that I am always right here with you. Why can't you open the door for me so that I can come into your life and change you and be with you? And then I started crying, and then I asked God for forgiveness. I just want to remind everyone that when you are depressed or having the same situation like me, just open your Bible and start reading chapter by chapter, or just pray that He will overcome your depression. Then slowly in those times, God will work with you. You can't do this alone. And then I just wanna remind you that our God is bigger than our fear and depression. We don't have any idea how God has protected us so many times. Pain has a purpose, and pain was just pushing us back to Jesus. Struggle is just the enemy is not bigger than your God. I want to tell you guys that run to God and open a door for Him. Let Him help you, and let Him walk into your life and change you. For our God is bigger than our fear and depression. And God hear you and heal our broken heart. And God will heal you just like He healed mine. Thank you.